Such a beautiful bagger, the legend John Cabral from the H2R days. What kind of turbo is that?
It's a Garrett. It's good, boss. Garrett, baby.
You've been on a lot of different bikes. How would you describe this one compared to everything else?
Quick. A lot of G-forces. More G-forces than any bike I've been on.
Really?
Without a bar, too. Without a bar.
Gets your attention, doesn't it?
It gets your attention. We're out quick. Real quick.
I love that sound, and I hope you do too. M2 shocks on board for this Harley-Davidson bagger. Bagger drag racing, of all things, is getting very popular. Let me know your thoughts on it down below. It's just astounding how quick some of these machines are. Whoa, big wheelie! Big wheelie! Did you see that? He almost flipped over backwards. There's no wheelie bar for you. Right lane takes the wind. Let's take you back. Keep your eye on the left-hand lane, that yellow bagger. Watch the power kick in. Whoa, way back. Way back. I think he lost some bodywork, some debris on the track. Yes, he did. Thank goodness he kept that on two wheels. What a save. Welcome to No Wheelie Bar Racing. Looks like we lost some body work on that one, huh?
Looked like it gave a shit, though, huh?
Well, that's a good point. He did keep it pinned, unless he was just running on pure adrenaline. Who do you like in this one? Man, nice hole shot out there. It's impressive what these guys can do with a less than conventional setup. Top end of the racetrack. Yes. Right-hand lane, that thing's a sleeper. Might be part of the hustle. Let's catch up with Tommy Bolton, the legend. Tommy having some fun. Congratulations, guys. Hey, that's a wild bike with the ape hangers. Tell me about that.
Little stock 124, some big calves, different guys.
Big 124 with that? Trying to kill it.
Such a unique sound. That thing is awesome. Let's watch his first run. He's got a tough competitor, left-hand lane. Whole shot going to the left-hand lane, but look at that turbo bagger kicking in. John digging in. Fistful of throttle, puts that thing into high gear, top end of the racetrack. Oh yeah, give it to the turbo bagger. Turbo's tough, huh? Turbo bagger. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for our grudge showdown. We'll throw in the sport bikes here for you. The Supercharged Kawasaki H2, the Phenom out of Team Green, taking on the staple of Suzuki. It is a nitrous Suzuki Hayabusa left-hand lane. Please, Busa fans, H2 fans, let me know where you stand and why. Oh, looks like the Busa out first, slight wheelie, but listen to that H2 make power. He is gone. Kawasaki H2 by a mile. Tombo loves it.
What can I say? I raised that for him. I raised that one.
Tombo, did that H2 just beat the Busa?
Yeah, I raised that for him. That's how the Tombo stable there. Yeah, H2 all day, every day. Yeah. And he got out of it and look back. Look back. I told him to do that, though. You taught him every day we know
Tombo, I didn't think that H2 could run with that Busa. What happened?
I ain't worried about that. It's been Tombo size.
Ah. Congratulations, man. How fulfilling is that?
Oh my God, man. We worked pretty hard on that bike. It runs really good.
I really hope you have enjoyed this look at some truly remarkable and innovative bikes on the West Coast, especially that H2. As always, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. We're celebrating 100,000 subscribers on the Cycle Drag YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the comments, and thank you for referring friends. Please remember to like cycledrag.com on Facebook too, and we will keep it coming. Thanks, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend is here. How are you doing, sir?
I'm cycle dragging. That's what I'm doing. Cycle dragging forever and ever and ever.
You are the man. Sweep the leg, right?
Sweep the leg, no mercy, and cycle drag.
Wait a minute. Is it the legendary Jesse James? Are you really the legendary Jesse James?
Sometimes, only in my own mind.
What do you got on your hat?
Cycle drag.
You're the man. Do you watch the Cycle Drag YouTube channel?
No, but you should.
We hope that you'll start watching, and I appreciate it.
Yep.
Oh, we appreciate all the celebrities watching us. We appreciate you watching us. I hope you're enjoying this. If you have any feedback, some suggestions, please leave it below. I hope you like this video. There's much more coming. Hit subscribe, hit like, share with all your motorcycle friends, and we'll keep this thing blowing up, and you never know where we'll end up. If there's fast baggers, H2s, and any type of motorcycle involved, we are in. Cycle Drag rolls on.